So we have this situation. So in this part of lecture, we will try to understand integration of irrational function. So we will have some scenarios, like suppose that the function is given this way: linear into root under linear. Okay, so you will have 1 by linear into root under linear. You will have linear and quadratic combination, or you will have 1 by quadratic into root linear. You may have linear into root quadratic, or you may have quadratic into root quadratic. Okay, so you will be facing these 4 scenarios in this set of questions. 1 by linear into root linear. Linear you can memorize. Inside root linear, and then linear quadratic. Inside root quadratic, then linear quadratic. So how we will handle this situation? So just memorize these steps first. So under this scenario, when inside root you will be having linear, so you have to do nothing, just take linear function as z square and things are done. Okay, so if linear function is inside the root, you will be taking linear function as z square and then just proceed. You will get your things done. Okay, now suppose that quadratic is inside the root. So the quadratic is inside the root. So under this scenario, when outside linear is waiting, so you will take linear as 1 by z. Okay, so if inside root you have a quadratic and outside root linear is waiting, so you will be taking linear as 1 by z and things are done. Okay, now suppose that you guys are dealing with quadratic root quadratic. So you know that it is root under quadratic and outside root quadratic is waiting. So under this scenario, what you have to take, just take x as 1 by z and things are done. So if it is quadratic, you will be taking 1 by z. If it is linear, you will be taking z square. If in quadratic you are handling which is inside the root, outside root linear is waiting, you will be taking linear equal to 1 by z. Or if inside root you have quadratic and outside root quadratic is waiting, you will be taking x as 1 by z and done. You are good to go with the questions. You will get your result done. I hope the idea is clear, and when we will be solving some illustration, you can connect this idea with those illustrations. Okay.